Hi guys, my name is Katie or Kbdoesart, and today we're going to be finishing up texturing the toilet model that we made. So this one's pretty easy since generally they're all the same white texture. So I'm just going to select everything and do assign new material, shader, AI standard surface. It's going to be white, but I would just up the roughness on it. And then let's look at Arnold's render. Oh yeah, go to Arnold, grab a sky dome light, and then click on poly modeling and grab a plane. Click R and scale it up, and then move it down so it's not clipping. And then let's assign a new material to that. We'll do shader, AI standard surface. And then click on this checker mark and grab the checker texture. Yeah, it's looking pretty realistic. This is how it's supposed to look. I think that's kind of it. I mean, I'm trying to see if it's kind of like reflecting enough. It does look pretty porcelain, so that's good. Alright, that's honestly about it for this one. This one's pretty easy. Basically just throw a white texture on it. If you want, you can kind of like mess around with, there's a cool texture that I think is fun, which is, if you click on the checkered mark, I usually like to play around with like granite or leather. They both have this really cool like dotted texture. So like for this one, if you wanted to make it look kind of like more stone-ish, you could do like variants of grays in it, and then use that as your texture. And it kind of just gives it like a little bit of like a rocky look almost, like you can kind of see the little dots coming out. And you can mess with like cell size and stuff like that. So I like to kind of use this if I'm doing like a stone-ish texture. So it's kind of up to you if you want to choose that. Obviously you don't have to, but thought I might mention it since that's usually what I like to play around with if I want to add like a little bit of texture into it. So yeah, that's about it for this tutorial. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!